Hi and welcome to Data 7. In this video I'm going to show you how we use Data 7 Ice to optimize an image, in this case Abraham Lincoln, to convert it and export an embroidery design. The first thing I'm going to do is reduce the size from 21 by 27 centimeters to 10 centimeters. Next, I'm going to use the image utilities to reduce the colours and details in this order. Posterize, remove the small clusters of pixels. That's left some jagged edges, so I'm going to remove those jagged edges by using the reduce noise tool, despeckle tool and round edges. Next I'm going to use the fill tool to remove the isolated pockets of pixel colours. Next I'm going to just join Abraham's beard to his coat. Don't need to, just personal preference. So we're almost there, but I'm just going to go to the colour utilities and I'm going to merge this final colour with another colour, and it's chosen black as the closest colour, and that's given me now 3 colours. So we've converted 256 colour image down to 3 colours, which is ideal for me in this particular scenario. I've got a 3 colour design that I'm going to create. So I'm going to head over to the embroidery tool, and I'm going to select all the colours and regions and add it to the regions list. All regions on the list will show in this particular order. Each region represents a different embroidery pocket, so it's going to finish sewing or finish embroidering region 1, and then it's going to jump to region 2 and then to 3 and then to 4. So the more regions you have, the more jump sequences it's going to have and the more trimming it will perform. That just remains for us to click the sew button in order to create the embroidery design, and there we can see the progress. Here we can see the finished product, and all we need to do is export the design so we can embroider it. So I'm going to export it. There's many different formats available. I'm just using the built-in QEP format for the moment for demonstration purposes. The design is now exported. So now I'm going to head over to the Embroidery Design Suite by Data 7 and load the design to see what it looks like. Okay, that's done. That concludes this video. If you liked what you've seen, remember to like and subscribe to our channel to get notified of new video releases. Thanks for watching.